Okay.
Hi, I'm Janine Garner,
And I'm Gabrielle Dolan.
and we're so excited to be here to tell you all about two awesome full-day workshops that we are running in Sydney and Melbourne in September. Over to you, Ral.
Yeah, the reason this came about, Janine and I were talking about probably some of the two critical skills we think you need to have a successful career and be successful in business. And that is how strong your network is. So who you know, but also who knows you. So when you meet someone, the stories you're sharing, are you talking in a way that really connect and engage with people in a way they actually remember you? Because you can meet someone, but if they don't remember you, then probably doesn't really matter. So we thought, who do we know that can run a smashing workshop on storytelling and networking? And we decided we'd do that. And ironically, we are calling it the winning formula because we think it is the winning formula for career success.
We do, because the reality is every single one of us at work is trying to have more personal impact. We're trying to influence more. And the work that Ral and I do in our own spaces of stories and networking absolutely proves that when you're able to share a story, you become more influential. It makes it more impactful. And having people around you that can help you achieve success is absolutely critical in this really busy world. So I'm going to be talking all about networking, all about it's who you know. You can see my lovely little book there behind Gabrielle's head, where I want to talk to you about, okay, what is it that you want to achieve in your career over the next 12, 18 months to 3 years, and really delve into who is actually helping you get there. Who are the key people that you need to know that are going to help you achieve the success that you're looking for. And we're going to talk through who they are. We're going to help you identify them. I'm going to give you loads of tips and tools around how to leverage and work that network so that you build a community of people around you, the circle of you, that will absolutely help you achieve success.
And I've done that session with you, Janine, and it's invaluable. And it's something I revisit probably every 6 months to assess my network. And what I'm going to be talking about is storytelling, obviously. So why you need storytelling to be successful in business. Going to cover some really practical stuff about what actually makes a story, because people talk a lot about story at the moment. It's a bit of a red hot topic in the corporate world, but I see people using the word story but not actually sharing a story. So you're going to teach you a process of how you start your story, what you put in the middle, and most importantly, how you end it on message so that you can present with more impact and you can be more influential when you meet people and just build stronger connections, because with the story, people not only understand what you're saying, but they can actually remember it. So it's going to be an actual practical session, fun-filled, really interactive, and you'll see at the end of the day how networking and storytelling really are the winning formula, if I must say so myself.
And I've also been in your workshops, Ral, and same thing. I constantly now use Ral's IP and approach to storytelling to structure the stories that I use in meetings, in presentations, in workshops, in terms of getting my ideas across. Now, both of us run these workshops for our corporate client list. So we go into organizations to run these workshops, but this is the first time that we have come together to run these workshops in the public space for you to come to. And as Ral said, they will be very hands-on. You will leave with an absolute plan that you can put into place to make sure you absolutely shift from where you are currently to where you want to be to build that success. So before I give the details, Ral, anything else to add?
No, I think just we know these will be a great day and a real value, and so we're running one in Sydney on the 13th of September and one in Melbourne on the 20th September. So, but Janine, give us all the other details.
Yeah, so we're going to put the link below so you can click through to order your tickets, to book your tickets. As Raul said, Sydney on the 13th of September and Melbourne on the 20th of September. We will provide you with workbooks and worksheets. You're all going to get a copy of Gabrielle's best-selling book, Stories for Work, and mine, It's Who You Know. We're also throwing in a 90-day follow-up storytelling online program, thanks to Gabrielle and her team. And I'm throwing in a 12-week networking challenge program where every single week you're going to get tips and tools and downloads and videos and podcasts from me that will ensure that what we learn that day we put into practice to help you succeed. We're providing you with morning tea, with lots of tea and coffee, and with lots of food. So there really is no excuse. So 13th of September, Sydney, 20th of September, Melbourne. Early bird tickets are on sale now. Only $799 inclusive of GST. And if you want a table for 6, it's $4,794 including GST. Full price tickets will go on sale after the 21st of August. So get booking now. We're really looking forward to seeing you. Limited numbers available. And we hope to see you in Sydney or Melbourne. It's going to be an absolutely awesome day.
Excellent. See you then, everybody.
Bye.